Hey guys, welcome. David Baker here. I'm a realtor in the Phoenix area, and today I just very briefly want to talk about interest rates and what potentially one can expect, in the next years here. Please go ahead and leave your comments, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell. That way you're informed every time I put up a new video, and I thank you in advance for helping me grow my channel. Anyway, let's get right to it. Let me share this with you right here off of the web. It's with Sophie.com, and they've got a really great definition here as to what could happen as far as rising inflation and interest rates. Because right now in the United States, you'll see that inflation is going up. And what is inflation? It's basically, things are starting to cost more money. You go to the grocery store and you see that, what used to cost you, say, $10 now is costing you 12, 13, or 14 bucks. So that's inflation. Your dollars don't go quite as far. So right here, rising inflation can shrink purchasing power as prices of goods and services increase. This in turn can affect interest rates and the cost of borrowing. While the inflation rate doesn't have a direct impact on mortgage rates, the two tend to move in tandem. And let me show you another website right here. This is the mortgagereports.com, and this has a fantastic chart right here going back to 1972, and it shows you the inflation right here in the dark blue, and you can see that mortgage rates in the light blue kind of follow right along. So you see that they do indeed kind of move in tandem. So what can we expect going forward? Well, right now the expectation is that inflation is going to keep going up. So with that being said, chances are very good we're going to start seeing mortgage rates go up as well. And there is another section right in here which is really based on the fact that investors are the ones that buy things. So right now, investors are buying mortgage-backed securities, and that's really what dictates, interest rates. But in order to see returns that make sense and that outperform, say, inflation, they're going to have to end up getting better returns. What does that mean? Higher interest rates. So that is why it's going to end up having to go up. How much will it go up in the near term? Honestly, your guess is probably as good as mine. I have seen projections as high as like 3.5% sometime in the next year. And I'm going to make my next video showing how much, the purchase power is affected by rising interest rates. Anyway, I hope this was somewhat beneficial to you to know that interest rates are going to very likely go up, and it's due 100% because of inflation. And if you read the newspapers, if you read, the Google News and everything that's out there, you'll see that inflation is something that is being talked about quite a bit right now, and the cost of goods is going up. So chances are very good that interest rates are going to go up. So if you've been thinking about refinancing, if you've been thinking about buying, chances are you're going to want to do it sooner than later. Anyway, I hope this was beneficial to you. Go ahead and leave comments. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.